Hello. I'm going to be going to Lodge for my birthday. So I'm gonna have to pack, right? Right? Anyway, since I have to pack, I'm packing a little bit of stuff in front of you. Dang it! I dropped my stuff. So my mother is gonna wonder where everything went. It's only a few days, like 9 days. Here's the bag. Hold on. I have to take this. I can't show you this part because it has my friend's face. Oh god, did you see that? Okay. So we got his bay. My favorites. I forgot what this is called. Perfume. My cousin. Mine. Oh, this was gonna be my mother's, but it seems to be broken. It's not broken in any serious way, so I'm still gonna give it to her. So shove those in the bag. Cleaning, hygiene, teeth stuff. Nail file. Okay. I don't need that. My cousin's lipstick. She left it here. She's not here right now. Vaseline. Googles. I don't know where my blue ones are at. I'll just give these to Elizabeth to wear. My cousin to wear. So yeah. Oh, well, seems that that's all that I have. I was about to show you that, but my friend's face is on the other side of that. So, yeah, this is everything that I got. Bye.